So hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to install dynamic island in Galaxy A05 device. So as you know that we don't have any default feature in this device, but we can use a third-party application. So all you guys have to do, just go to Play Store and then search for dynamic island dynamic spot. So this is the application, by the way. Just install this application. Okay, after installing, just click to open. So this is how its interface look like. Then guys, just click to next and then click to done. Now all you guys have to do, just select the apps. So we can select all app and then go back. After that, notification access. So just click here and then allow the notification of dynamic spot. So just go to draw on screen and then click allow and then click next. Now go to installed app and then allow the permission here. After that, just click done. Now all you guys have to do, just go to general. This application contains ads, but don't worry guys, it's a free application. Just click OK so that the pill look like this, and just allow all the application to which you want dynamic island. I am selecting right now message and phone. You can select all these applications. Now go back and time to check. I am just calling in this phone. Now as you see, the dynamic island is working accurately. So this is how we can set dynamic island on Galaxy A05 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.